Good morning, fam bam. So, day 4 of our quick trip to Toronto dahil birthday ni Donna, and it's our chance to visit the original Alba family here in Canada. So, yeah, ilan sila dito? Uncles? I think 4 uncles. Uncle Boy, Uncle Dick Boy, which is already in the Philippines, Uncle Netnet, and Uncle Nonoy. And of course, hindi ko i-showcase ang bahay ni Uncle Nonoy, which is our host sa ating 4-day visit in this really nice really. When we went to the downtown, it's really busy. So sobrang traffic. Hindi naman sobrang traffic. And of course, saktong si Taylor Swift. So meron din kami mga clips about our downtown tour, which is isa sa mga videos na i-upload namin. But then again, this video will showcase kung ano yung property ni Uncle Nonoy dito. And of course, convince and nag-share din sila, why don't you guys move here in Toronto? Maganda din dito. Ang sarap talaga sa feeling na pagkasama yung mga family mo. And nandito lang around syempre sa Calgary kami galing. We're based in Calgary. So it's a good experience to see kung ano yung meron sila dito. And this is in Whitby, Ontario. So it's like 40 and not 45 minutes from downtown. So it's actually a pretty close, kasi the famous highway 401 lang magbabiyahe, and then dire-diretso. So kita nyo naman dyan, mga bahay dito is ang gaganda. So ito yung tapat ni na uncle na mga bahay. Yeah, all detached. Ganda ng community. Ano talaga, feel mong nasa Canada talaga. And background is, dati na sila dito, like 1985 ba sila? 1986 sila nag-move. I-share din namin yung story ng family ko dito kung paano sila nag-move in one of our videos. So tara, samahan nyo akong mag-house tour. Sasabihin ko sanang house tour na pinagpipilian namin, pero ang mahal mahal talaga so hindi talaga kaya for now hindi siya kaya. So ganda talaga ng community. And yeah, let's start our house tour with my Uncle Nonoy's property here in Whitby, Ontario. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go. Okay, let's start. And as promised, boom. Ooh. Detach. And may front yard si uncles with a double garage, double gate. Actually, hindi ko masyado, seldom ko tong nakikita sa Calgary, yung magkahiwalay yung ano. Kasi the usual isang mahabang gate talaga yung tumataas and baba. So dito sa kanila, dalawa. So yung kapitbahay din, dalawa. Yeah. Ito, meron silang isa. Pero mostly, it's either isa or dalawang gate talaga. So tara, samahan niyo ako at ipakita natin kung ano ang lilipatan natin dito sa Toronto. Kukunin natin bahay. So may elegant, well, I call it elegant because we don't have this. Meron sila ditong bench, and then this is the main door. So, pasok tayo. Pagpasok mo, tatanggal lang ako ng tsinelas. And meron sila dito for the closet. Siyempre, narinig nyo na si Lian. Yan. Yup. So, itong closet nila. Yan. So, yan yung behind ng door. Then, open ko muna yung lights. Buksan natin yung ilaw. Yan, so mga shoes lang, random shoes. And then the first living room. Yeah, a very good sized living room. So, Uncle, tinutour ko na, ha? Oo. So, sabi ko nga, Uncle, bibili na ako ng ganito in 10 years. Yan, so good toilet. Very clean. Oh. Then, ito yung door. Papuntang garahe. So, as you can see, see? Dalawa yung garage door. Then, mga gamit ni Uncles for the snow. Makikita nyo doon yung mga pampala ng snow. Kompleto. And then, kasi Albas or rather does cars. So, usually kami na nagme-maintain. Usually may mga tools ka talaga. Yan yung parang hobby ng mga Alba talaga, ng mga boys. Kasi yun din yung business namin sa Philippines, actually. So, okay. Tingnan natin dito with their finished basement. Tingnan natin dito. May views. So, yung pinsan ko dito, si Jay yung nagsistay dito. Open natin yung lights. Meron silang laki ng basement. Finished basement talaga. So, the typical, may storage sila dito ng mga stuff. I think ito is the mechanical room, yung likod na door. And then, meron talagang living. Actually, pwede to siyang iparent eh. Pero syempre, if you don't need it, then why do it? Right? So, si JR ang nandito nagsistay. And yeah, syempre may celebration kami. A bit of celebration with cousins. So, may konting inumin dyan. Yeah, this one is a mechanical room as well. Then, yeah, so good size living room na yan dyan. Then, ito yung room ni Jay. Hindi ko nabubuksan. Hi, Jay, where are you? Oh, wala si Jay. Okay, so, ito yung room ni Jay. Good size, very good size room. Then, punta tayo dito sa favorite namin lahat. So, may kagabi, or the other night pala, nandito kami. Hindi matagal, pero Uncle showed us this room, their entertainment room. So, syempre, si Auntie Tess, yung wife ni Uncle Nonoy, syempre, pag gustong magpa-sexy, yan. Wow, meron siyang sariling health rider. Ito, Health Rider is the brand? Yeah. Health Rider. And then, a bit of history. Dito din nagstay sina Lolo and Lola with them. So this is Lolo's favorite place, which is the entertainment room. And nasan ba yung mga lights dito? Hindi ko makita yung mga light. How to turn on the lights here. Anyway, yan. So, syempre, nakaset up talaga yung mga speakers. Like, Bose. Mga hobbies nila dito. So, good. Very good size TV. Pwede na ako dito. Like, the whole day. Pagkatapos ng trabaho, dito ka mag-chill. Yan, may chill place ka dito. So you see, look at that. Very good size entertainment room. And this one is may sariling toilet, of course. Yan, sariling toilet. Yeah, a full bath. It's very good finish. Yeah, di na natin ulit. One more. Yan. Ganda ng pagka-set up ni Auntie Tess. Ano? Tapos sobrang bango, mga fam. Lagi silang umuwi, sina Uncle sa Pilipinas, like yearly. And then when they stay in the hotel, sabi nila, gagayahin ko nga yung amoy ng hotel. So, ang amoy ng bahay nila is Okada. So, inas ko pa sila, bakit ang bahay nyo amoy hotel? So, meron sila nung mist. Tapos, inaano lang. Yeah, yung parang essential oil. Pero yung essential oil, ang amoy is yung sa ano ng Okada. Yung bago eh. So, favorite daw nila na hotel yun, Okada. Pero mas more on Dusit sila sa Makati. Kasi mas accessible. And then, so finished basement with the carpets. Punta tayo doon where the Maritesan happens. Syempre, Pilipino, hindi pwedeng walang Marites. Yan. Okay. So, the first dining. Kasi ang laki ng house nila. So, first dining. And then, the second living room. So, nanonood sina Lian ng TV. And this is Uncle Nonoy, the youngest brother of my dad. So, yun. Syempre. Oo. Tawa nga lang sila ng tawa mga ka-fam pag sinasabi kong, oh, the $1 million house. Tapos meron silang backyard dito. Paano ba ito buksan, Uncle? Oh, you just need to pull it. Okay. Pero papakita ko yung backyard kung saan nagbo-barbecue. The other Marites location. Ganda. So there you go. Oops! Lumabas si baby Bella. So, meron silang very good backyard dito. Platform. Platform talaga. Uncle, built na tong platform when you bought the house? Oh, included na din. Kasi yung iba magpapakonstruct pa yan. Like 30K pa to, 20K pa yan eh.
Right now, maybe more than...
Yeah, more than pa, baby. So, meron dito yung barbecue spot nila. And, tingnan nyo naman, fam. Meron sila dito sa corner. The legit Christmas tree. Ayan. Nag-iisang malaking Christmas tree. Siguro parang 15 feet siguro to. Or 12 feet na Christmas tree. Wow. So, good size backyard. Siyempre yung mga pinsan ko ng mga kids, for sure, dito sila naglalaro and all. Then meron si Uncle dyan na storage. And then, yeah. So, yung mga kapitbahay, kita mo din. And then, uso sa kanila yung ganito, fam. Yung side nung ano. Kasi ang nakikita ko kahit sa Vancouver or sa Calgary, usually parang plastic to. Parang composite material. Pero dito sa kanila, parang nakaset up na bricks. So, ito, for example, ito composite. Pero ang side ni Uncle, dito is bricks talaga yan. Sa harap, like this. Like this. Ganitong bricks. So, I think mas maganda kasi parang matibay talaga siya eh. Hindi siya matatablahan ng hail eh. So, ikot tayo dito. Meron sila nito. Ang tawag dito, I don't know. What is it called? Comment down below nga kung anong tawag dito sa ganito. Basta para siyang, in a sense sa atin, parang kubo eh. And then, what is this? Ano to? Parang barbecue? Laki naman nito. Hindi siguro to barbecue. Pero yeah, meron silang really nice backyard here. Naka-set up talaga. Yeah, so this is what I'm saying. You see? Naka-bricks. Hindi siya yung parang plastic. Then yeah, yun yung kapitbahay. Hello. Then, pasok na tayo sa loob. Yun. Bella, come on. Come here. Nagwiwi ka pa dyan. Come here. Come inside. Go, 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 go. Go inside, go inside. Please, pasok na tayo. Okay. Yan. Okay, napakita ko na yung backyard kung saan sila nagbo-barbecue. Yan, lock natin. Okay. Nice.
Sa inyo may backyard din?
Wala, Uncle. May courtyard kami. Common sa townhouse. Yeah.
So pag nag-barbecue kayo,
Sa balcony. Second floor. Oh, sa balcony. So, akyat tayo sa taas. Then, magulo na yung kwarto. Hindi ako papasok sa kwarto, ante. So, pero dito, stairs. syempre, pag malaki ang bahay, at saka ang stairs, may bench ka dyan na hindi naman nauupuan. Mga 2 beses lang to naupuan yung bench dito, Uncle, no? Yeah, may mga paintings sila on the side. So, kanina sabi ko, si Lola and Lolo, nung buhay pa sila, dito sila nagsistay. So, this is where my cousin's room is. Si Alyssa. Hi, Ate Alyssa. And then, meron sila dito mini pantry. And then, yan, yung washing machine, the laundry. Ganyan yung kay meron silang mga pads na ganyan kasi nagwiwiwi yung dog. So instead na magwiwi yung dog sa floor, dyan nila nilalagay. And then this is where our room for 4 days. So, yan. This was Lola's room before. And that is Davon. Hi to Alba Fam Bam. Hi. Okay. Siyempre, naka-shorts lang tayo. Kasi nasa loob naman ng bahay. And then this is first room, 1. This one, ano ba to? Oh, parang beddings. Yung mga beddings, kung saan yung mga beddings. So, first room, second room, and then third room. Here. Oh. Sobrang bago ng kwarto. Amoy Okada. Amoy dusit or Okada. So, so this is the third room. And then ito yung masters. Hindi na tayo papasok dyan. Basta dyan yung masters. Yan yung room ni Auntie Tess, ni na Uncle Nonoy. And then this is the... So, dun sa room nila, meron din meron silang him and her na closet. And also a full-size bathroom and bathtub. And then ito yung common toilet. Yan. Common toilet to. So, oh yeah. The fancy glass ng toilet. Then, yeah. So, good. Very clean toilet. Thank you, Uncle and Auntie, for hosting us. And that's it. So, total size. So, as far as Uncle remembered, ang total size ng house nila is 2,800 square feet. So, sobrang laki. Yung townhouse sa Calgary, that's around 1,400 square. So, twice as big as the townhouse. Without the garage or with the garage. But then, sobrang laki ng bahay nila, Uncle, dito. So, the usual gatherings ng mga family pag may bibisita sa kanila from New York, which is si Auntie Marilyn. And then, pag nagbibisita din yung mga ibang relatives, so dito sa kanila nagsistay. So, sanay na silang mag-host. And of course, with a good heart, gano'n naman talaga pag pamilya, di ba? Mag-host ka talaga. Kaysa sa mag-hotels yung mga relatives mo, etc. Siyempre parang maganda talaga pag sa bahay. Kasi madaming usap, madaming kwento. Punong-puno kami ng kwento dito and information about Toronto. And how they live here, the expenses, and may na-discover pala ako. I don't know why, pero yung utilities here is relatively cheaper compared to Calgary and very cheap compared to Vancouver. So I don't know why. Hindi ko alam kung may mali ba sa mga metro namin na natirahan dati or what. Pero I was telling them, siguro dahil sa Niagara, na yung electric nandyan na kasi hydropower. Pero hindi din nila ma-explain kung bakit ganun yung mga utility bills nila kasi pinakita sa akin ni Uncle So, ayun. Do you think we should move to Toronto? Anong tingin nyo? Add the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, And please watch the videos and subscribe, guys. So that's it for today. Mamayang gabi, we'll be back to Calgary na. So syempre, titing kami ni na uncle and auntie. So see you guys soon. And watch the other videos to come. Kasi medyo marami-rami kaming videos, our experience here. At Niagara, Clifton Hill, madami. And we really enjoyed our stay here. And thank you again, Uncle Panoy, Uncle Nonoy, and Auntie Tess, and Ate Alyssa, and Kuya JR. We call them Ate and Kuya, although they're younger, pero that's how the family calls them. So keep safe. Thank you again. And God bless, and more blessings to come to you guys. So see you soon. Bye.